So I put it on you first, then you guys put it on you right after me.
So you both went to ground.
When I started playing,
He didn't know I was
He didn't know you. He didn't know you.
I knew him.
All right.
let's try it again. Okay?
Gotcha.
1, 2, 3, and.
Use that cute boy in Mr. Fair's class.
That's right. Yep.
Mr. Fair, I remember him. Yeah. Yes.
Right?
Wait, there's another measure.
Yeah. How do you guys do that between A and B?
Between A and B or
Oh, you guys are serious, yeah.